Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold.
What's up, what's up? I'm Rebuilder Guy, and today we're bringing back a classic of the channel. About a year ago, I started this Srt-4, but I never finished it because I needed a turbo kit for it. This is a 2.6 stroker from DCR that I never finished, and today we got a donor car in. So let's check that out, and also I got something else that I'm working on at the same time. After about a year of waiting for the auction to go live, I picked up this 2005 ACR edition Srt-4, which was completely destroyed in the driver's side. We do have some BBS wheels on it that I'm thinking of putting on my build. The seats in here are awesome. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with that yet, but I think I may be using them as well. But the main reason why I bought this car, and here it is. Da, da, da. There she is. I don't know if it's a Delta, a Zeta, or whatever. I know it's a ball bearing turbo, so I'm excited for that. It's a full AGP kit with 750cc injectors, which I think are still kind of small for my build. But at this point, I just want to get everything running and working. So let's gut this thing and pull the parts out so we could finish our build finally. Because that engine there is looking very, very lonely. Also, I am working on a Miller MasterStar 210 welder. It's a TIG MIG welder. I'm excited about this because the shop really needs one, and I picked this thing up for $350. It's about a $3,000 to $4,000 welder that we got for $350. I'm excited about it. I cannot locate the issue with it just yet. I've been going circuit to circuit trying to figure it out, but it looks like this main board is toast. I do need to take it to somewhere where they repair boards. I don't know. We'll see exactly what I'm going to do. Maybe I might repair it. It looks good. Everything else is coming out good. I will include clips of this throughout the Srt-4 rebuild. So I hope you enjoy it. Let's pull everything on that SRT. Got some of the goodies removed. This driver's side seat is a little bit bent up, but I can definitely just save the covers. But there is a crack here in the vinyl, which is unfortunate because it was standing at the auction for about a year. All right, before we pull the engine, I really want to hear this thing run. So Victor, hit it. Oh yeah. She's working good. We did remove the charge pipe underneath, so I don't want it running too long. Looks good. The side exit exhaust. 97,000 miles. I don't know what this gauge is, but it's just one solid color. All right, go ahead and kill it. Let's check the turbo. Yeah, that's definitely ball bearing. It's spinning. If it was a journal bearing, it would have slowed down a lot quicker, or at least I'm just hoping so. All right, let's get this engine yanked. Engine is out. It's looking pretty darn good. Excuse the camera shake. The internal stabilizer broke, so buy a t-shirt so I could buy a new camera. The turbo is looking pretty good. We're taking off the back cover to figure out exactly what turbo it is because AGP doesn't have part numbers on it. And then we're gonna pull the transmission and start building up the 2.6 stroker. Transmission is off, turbo is off, everything just got washed and cleaned up, looking good. We also have an upgraded pulley there. So this turbo, the exhaust side of it is 57.81 millimeters, and the intake side is 54.69 millimeters. So if you know what turbo this is, let me know down below. I'm probably going to be changing out these injectors as well because these are, I believe, 600s and we've got 750s. I'm sure we're going to have to go larger at one point. We got the ACT clutch in as well. We got the new pressure plate and the clutch itself. We got the 6-puck, so it should be fun. I can't wait to mount everything onto this engine here. I also bought tires from Toyo. These are 245/45/16. I kind of messed up and I got the wrong ones. I needed to get the 225s. All right, let's get everything mounted onto this engine. An update on the Miller welder. I got the main board and I've been checking the circuitry with my phone like this. I'd zoom in and then I was checking everything for corrosion. Can't seem to find anything. I'm thinking it's either in the power pack here or somewhere here in the resistor area where it's pretty darn grimy. So I contacted a board repair company and I'm going to be sending out this board out to them and see if they get any luck with it that I wasn't able to. The engine is complete. It's ready to be mounted into the car. I'm really excited. Everything came together really good. The injectors, however, I believe are too small. They're 750 cc's. Let me know what you think about that. We're going to mount the AC compressor and the bracket off camera. Also, I have the ACR shocks. I'm not sure if I want to go with these or the BC coilovers that I have on the car right now. Still kind of debating. On the next Srt-4 video, we are going to have this thing mounted. The car is going to be running, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, and sharing. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and I will see you very soon. Peace out.